The gum tape for the pocket has been cut and fused to the material to be used. So I'm tacking that down, and after that I'll be using my taping to tape it around. I've cut it in a bias form. That's what I'm currently doing now. I'm taping the pocket round. I'm taping it round, and after this I'll be taking it to the ironing table to fold it to the desired shape that you need. So I'm taking it to the ironing table right now so that I can fold it. I'm currently applying steam to it, because if you do not press it very well, it's not going to give you the desired pocket that you want, that you are looking for. So I'm currently pressing with steam iron. I'm pressing it with steam iron. As I'm doing it, you can discover that I'm using my clapper so that it can maintain the exact shape that I desire. After folding it and use my iron to do that, the taping is too much, so I'm trying to trim it. As I'm trimming it now, I will be done. So after that, I will now apply gum under the remaining parts so that I can hold it in place. So I'm currently applying gum under it to hold it in place. Yes, so that it will not begin to look conformed. It is the gum that will hold it in place and maintain the form of the pocket that we desire. So that's what we're doing now. Yes, now it's the top that remains. In one of the last tutorial, I told you that the end, you must always ensure that you turn it inside so that by the time you be sewing it, it won't be shown out. And that's what I'm trying to correct now. Yes, that's what I'm doing now. You can see, as you can see it, I'll be applying gum under the upper part as well to hold it in place. We are almost done. You can see, and that is our result.